Health Watch is presented by UMass Memorial Healthcare. Here, caring for you.
Can you explain the recent World Health Organization warning on processed meats?
They found that consumption of processed meats, or about 50 grams per day, is associated with an increased risk of colorectal cancer. Red meat consumption was also found to have an association, although not as strong a link.
What are some examples of processed meats looked at in this study?
And some of the processed meats that they looked at or are included are things like bacon, salami, bologna, all those anything that's cured or processed in that fashion.
Should those at higher risk for colorectal cancer be more concerned about this warning?
If they are someone who has these risk factors, and in addition to that are consuming large quantities of red meats, and more specifically processed red meats or processed meats in general, like bacon and hot dog and hamburgers and things of that nature, and the salamis, then, and they're doing it on a daily basis, or consuming over 50 grams or 1.5 ounces per day on a daily basis, then yes.
What does moderation look like when consuming processed meats?
If you're consuming processed meats once a week or once every other week, you should be fine. Maybe even a little bit more than that, you should be okay. But if it's on a daily basis, then that's probably a little too much.
Should processed meats be cut out of your child's school lunch?
The downside with cutting all meats out is that you lose out on some of the important nutrients and proteins that you really need. So I think to go to the extreme step of saying cutting it completely out, then you're going to be causing nutritional deficiencies down the line.